How to get rid of gum infections and bleeding gums and receding gums is often a lot easier than you think. But first I'm going to show you how you can do it at home. But it's important that you realise first what's the cause of these bleeding gums and receding gums and gum infection. It's almost always a bacterial infection in the socket around the tooth. So where the gum meets the tooth, the bacteria are growing in there. But you can get rid of it. Here, let me show you how. I'm going to show you now how to get rid of your gum infection. And it is simple. Now, first of all, it's important that you differentiate between your teeth and your gums. So let's just draw a tooth. There you can see a tooth with its roots like that. But that's a standard tooth. Now, you know and I know that your gums are like something like this. They come up to the tooth and they go down inside and then like that. And then of course you've got your next tooth here. Now the gum problems that you've got are here. They are taking place in that place there, in that gap between the tooth and the gum. In there, that's where bacteria grow inside of there and they start to eat, because inside that gap there are food. It's warm, it's moist, there's plenty of food, it's dark, it's safe. And once they start to breed, you can taste that foul taste in your mouth and they eat your gums alive, and eventually your gums begin to recede backwards. You'll start to lose the gum, the tooth will eventually become loose and you'll lose the teeth. So what can you do? Now, conventional treatment is to give you antibiotics. Now, I will say they may work the first time, but what a side effect of antibiotics, is that it weakens your whole immune system, which means the bacteria that's breeding in there comes back in no time. So usually within a week or two, you've got gum infection again. Only this time your gums are in a worse condition and your immune system is in a worse condition. So what can you do? And it's very, very simple. In nature, there are natural antibiotics. And what I've done is I've collected the most powerful plant extracts in nature. And what you do, you simply put a couple of drops on your finger and massage it into this gap here. A couple of drops on your finger, massaged in here. And it kills off the bacteria on contact. I'll say that again. The plant extracts kill off all the bacteria on contact, and it doesn't touch any of this area here. It doesn't weaken your immune system. So a few times a day you can put a couple of drops on the tip of your finger like that, massage it into your teeth, into the gums, into that boundary area where your gums meet your teeth. And it's pleasant tasting. You just put a small bottle, just massage it in, and it kills the bacteria off on contact. And normally within 48 hours your gum infection has gone. Now these are extremely powerful and proven by the National Institute of Health. This stuff is proven to kill bacteria, and it won't damage you and it won't damage your immune system. Now if you want to know more of how this remedy can help you with your gum infection, just click the link below the video.